Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 80 minutes video that I finished to record for my subscribers. The video is very detailed and I cover some excellent setups for trading, and there are some really superb situations currently in the markets, and you can have access to this video if you take a trial of my service. You can pay with PayPal if you wish. There are other payment methods. In short, this video is something that you don't want to miss. It is something that can prepare you excellently for the coming week and beyond. I hope you enjoyed the clip. If you like further information, I'll be talking to you again after the clip ends. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and a great trading week. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Czech koruna, US dollar Polish zloty, US dollar Swiss franc, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar South African rand, and then gold, silver, Canadian energy index, light crude, heating oil, the euro bond, TYX, TLT, US T-bond, the Dow, the S&P 500, the OX, the Nasdaq, EU Stocks 50, the DAX, CAC 40 of France, Italy's MIB, IBEX 35 of Spain, and I'll terminate the video with a fairly important chart. That's the Chinese Securities Index. Okay, that's the US dollar, South African rand. That's the weekly scale. There are many possibilities here. I just want to focus on a few things here. That's the chart now going back to 1991, and the commodity itself, gold and silver, because we are talking about South African rand, which is often associated as, if you like, a proxy for the precious metals against the dollar. The commodities themselves are right now in no man's land. If you have followed the recent videos, you know that we have nothing to do now in commodities, in the precious metals, because there is no clear pattern. We are just patient and we are waiting. Now, in the case of this one, we had, since the top here in 2001, we had what appears to be clear leg down. That's an A. That looks corrective. That's probably a B. And that could be an entire C. Yes? In which case, what we have seen since the bottom here, while the US dollar Swiss franc gave us an ABC, do you remember that? This one also gave us an ABC. This one gave us an ABC, and there are so many ways to take it. But in essence, if I'm right that this is an ABC, I will, yeah, maybe we just open it a bit so it becomes clearer to you. See, if this is an ABC, that appears to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could have terminated here. If that is correct, then we're going down. This one is going down to 6.5. In a very, very long-term picture, as I mentioned, there are quite a few options here. If that's a B, that could turn into the entire C, and that will generate an X. Okay, and we go for another ABC. That could go on 10 years. Or that could be 1, that's an ABC, that's 2, and then it goes down in a third wave. Either way, this would project going down for at least a year before it hits support, the massive support that we got at 6.5. So as I said, there is not a lot to go by at this point. There is a deterioration here in the case of the MACD. You can see it has a line that supported it since mid-2009. It's hanging on to this line, but there is major divergence here. You can see where the price is. Sorry, I will highlight that. You can see where the price is, and you can see there is major divergence here. We had very interesting inverse head and shoulders here, and it broke above. I think that the very first time we see it breaking through my arrow here, you can take it that was a false move. That was a false move. We don't have to go by this. This is not going to be fulfilled, and it's likely to crash. Now take a look at the daily. It is deteriorating gradually, and I think a break of 8.2 for those who are interested in this forex pair should raise the alarm. Why don't you put an alarm here at 8.2 and see when it calls you? Have a look now at that's the TYX. I will not go through the big picture. I've covered it recently. The issue at stake is this: do we have a fourth wave ending here that turned out to be one that was an ABC, and the confluence of the descending line, the 200 moving average, was enough to stop this rally, and now we're going to see basically a deterioration, cease deterioration, taking it down to 270 and way lower. We're talking about the rates, yeah, this 30-year T-bond interest rate. So we will be looking at a serious deterioration here, and basically giving us a big run up in the bonds. Okay, this is what is at stake. Now, if we manage to hold ground here, we go up back to 295, climb above this level, then the idea of the triangle will be dead, and believe it or not, the whole thing can turn upside down. This will become a fairly interesting bullish scenario that will get huge momentum on a run above 3.1. Okay, that in my opinion is going to be resolved soon by the markets. There is no need to push anything, to try to jump the gun or anything. You know, there are so many other interesting markets currently. So this will come. This will come. The major moves here will come. But right now, let's observe what's happening. You see, this could turn into an A. That's B. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe just a touch above this. And then if we see a sharp reversal, yeah, sharp reversal down, you got your answer. That's an ABC. We're going down in the third wave. However, if it continues up and it maintains strength around here, 295.3, that could turn into a 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, up in a third, and basically looking up. Rates will be on the way up. Here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R and Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, you know, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy, terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video cost from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential. And that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. Like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses. you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. You know, I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.